This past Prime Day, I couldn't pass up the great deal on this Rainfall and Handheld shower head combo by Tudoccy. I was in great need of a new shower head, and this one was in my sights because of the chic and modern Rainfall design. It features a generous 8-inch square head with an 11-inch extension arm. The handheld head has 9 settings, and the set comes with an adhesive wall mount bracket. The packing list includes everything you need for easy installation. The pro tip I would share is to tighten each piece with a wrench cushioned with something soft, like a cloth or paper towel. That way, everything is cinched down without scratching the surface. There are 100 self-cleaning nozzles on the 8-inch model. The shower head works with all half-inch pipe threads. I chose the matte black, but it also comes in a chrome finish as well as a 10-inch and 12-inch square size. The best way I can describe the water flow from the main head is a substantial, yet soft, yet full pressure stream. And if you're worried because you have low water pressure, the shower head boasts air boosting technology to increase water pressure. So if you're in need of a new shower head that offers a versatile, relaxing showering experience, definitely check out the options available from the Tudoccy brand. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.